First, we're going to start with a foundation that matches Cora's skin tone and blend it evenly all over her face. Make sure you blend it all the way down the neck. Next, take a matte setting powder and brush it lightly all over the face. This helps reduce shine on stage and keeps your makeup in place. Next, we're going to take a white eyeshadow and apply it all over the eyelid and brow bone. You can use your fingertips or a brush for this step. We're going to take our blue eyeshadow now and apply it to just the eyelid. Be careful with this step and apply gradually as it can get messy. Taking a fluffy brush, dip it lightly into your blusher and apply it to the apples of the cheeks. Now take a black mascara and apply it to the eyelashes. Happy feet parents can skip this step if they can't get mascara on their child. Lastly, apply a bright red lipstick. This might need to be reapplied before going on stage, but be sure not to get it on your costume. Once you're finished, your makeup should look something like this, and you're ready to hit the stage.